All right, folks, we're here with our nutshell Pram. Excuse me, we're working on the quarter knees, getting the bevels for these knees. And the first angle we cut was just a rough angle to get the angle between the gunnel and the transom. And we took the bevel knowing that we wanted to put these knees in at a little bit of an angle, because if you saw in the earlier video, that angle that you got to use will change if you decide you want to put them parallel. The plans call for to put them just a little bit above a line that's parallel to the water line. So if you go per plan, you might have a little bit of an angle. We decided to take it just a little bit more and bring it up here. So we've cut, the second bevel we cut was on this. We went for the gunnel side. I guess it really doesn't matter which one you do. Instead of it being a perpendicular edge, what we've got on this knee now is this angle here. And the way we found that angle is the same way we're going to find the next angle. So you put the knee in position, and you can see there's a big gap there. Now you could take a compass or some kind of dividers and come up with an exact, let me get you over here, measurement for how wide that gap is. And then you take it down to the bottom, and you're scribing this knee to the transom. And so you take whatever gap you got at top and you move it down on the bottom, and that's the material that's going to have to go away. And then in order to do that, when we take it over to the workbench, we just draw that same distance all the way down. And if you wanted to, you could draw the little angle on the back there. So let's take you over to the workbench. Show you what we're going to do over there. This nice vise. We're going to clamp it in. They even do it one-handed. This vise is set up so that it'll slide in without having to screw it. So you can throw a piece in just like I did there. And then once it gets snug, then you can tighten it up. And I was able to put that piece into the vise one-handed. And I'm probably not